POV. Oh! 2, 1. Okay, it's probably a new angle for new people on my channel. The phone is literally on a ledge right now. But yeah, this is the intro. I'm filming the intro like a week after I filmed this footage. This video is basically gonna be a little romanticizing my fangirlism of a little bit of romanticizing winter. So if you're not a fan of K-pop or like Skiz, this video might be a bit confusing. You might question my excitement a little bit, but if you are, stay. And if you are a fan of K-pop, I hope you guys can relate. There are some cuts, like random little bits and cuts in the video. Please do not mind that. I was very hypered and I have no timeline of this. It's just random clips and videos I took in the past a week and a half. Enjoy the video. Hey, I ordered Stray Kids concert goods like in September and it just arrived. It took like 3 months. JYP shop. We're gonna open it right now. I didn't spend that much money, so I shared it with my friends. So most of the stuff here is for my friend. Okay. I've never actually bought something from JYP shop. It's actually my first time. Oh! Wait, I didn't see anything. I gotta turn it up. I just saw a little glimpse of the photo card. I think it was my cat. I'm sorry. No. Let's see. Wait, this is for my friend. It's a Rabbit plushie. Everything I bought was like $78, but we have to go over 80 to get 4 photo cards. So I just got this. It's kind of useless. It's like a little trading card. If I don't get Chan, I'm just gonna sell it probably. This is Han hair clips. This one's also for my friend. 2 different friends, but these are for my friends. This is a beanie that I'm probably gonna wear a lot. It's hot. This one's for this isn't the POV. This is for the hair clips. But these are the POV. Oh, okay, we got Bang Chan. Oh yeah, this plastic is really loud. We got Bang Chan first. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got Felix. Okay, my friend's bias is Felix, so I'll give her this one. Oh, Seungmin, we love Seungmin. Oh, we got In, and we got Bang Chan. That's so great. So I got my friend's bias, but another friend's bias is Han, but we didn't get him. So I'll let her choose between Seungmin and I. It doesn't look really bad. Hopefully this is good quality, because this is really expensive. Okay. To be honest, not the best quality in the world, but it's not bad. It's not bad. I wear this in like social events. Next for the trading cards. I don't get Chan. I'm gonna be kind of mad, but it's okay. We can just sell it. Oh, it's really thick. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got Hyunjin. Happy little unboxing. D-3, so I'm probably not gonna do another update, but thanks.
Dengan gua. Oh. Ini anak ini.
Okay, hello everyone. Back with another JYP shop unboxing. Okay, I won't look because the last time I did this, there was a spoiler. Okay, here are the POVs. And here are the 2 albums. Okay. Oh, Ian. I got Ian too last time for the last POVs. Please. Oh, this can't be true. JYP shop, I love you. I know none of the actual like inclusions are in the photo book, so let's look at the photo book. Right, this is my favorite concept. Let me bring up the CD out. The CD. It's really pretty actually. I already saw the photo card. We got Felix and Changbin. 3, 2, 1. Oh, who's this? It's Han. Please, Chan. Let's go, let's go. You can come out. You can come out, right? I think I like the blue version. First one. Oh. Sungmin, we love him. Oh. Lino. Oh. Han keeps following me. Oh. Hyunjin. We got Felix and Bangtan. Chen looks so good. Oh, one. Finally.
네. 알았다. 알았다.
안녕하세요. 네. 아, 지금
네네네. 다음 고객님
네.
앨범은 핫버전 2장.
네.
그래서 여기에서 2장 뽑으실 수 있어요. 하나, 2장.
네.
시작해 주시면 되겠습니다.
어? 오, 4개 축하드립니다. 와!
Did you guys like the video? Filming this like 3 seconds after filming the intro. I didn't make a separate like outro after I left the pop-up. So hopefully this is good enough, and I will see you guys in the next video probably soon. Bye bye.